Hello guys, in this video I'll be talking to you about how to make money with Jvzoo affiliate. So it's very easy and it's not that hard. So I'm going to show you how you can do that and how you can easily make money with Jvzoo affiliate in this video right here. So if you want to get more of these kind of videos, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get more videos like this on how to make money online. So this video is all about how to make money with Jvzoo affiliate, and so let's begin. Now you have to log into Jvzoo, and as you can see I've logged in. If you don't have an account already, you sign up with Jvzoo, and then once you're on your dashboard, just scroll to the left hand side and then click on products, and then you see top sellers. So you really want to sell what is selling. You don't want to sell something that is not selling, because whatever is selling has a very good landing page and has a very nice. So this is the top number one selling product. This is key search starter. So, and these are products. If you want to, these are software products. I think, yeah, software products. And these other ones are where I think I have, how many here? We have up to 10 here. 10 best selling products on Jvzoo. So, and then this is an information product. These are the information products that are selling also. You guys can see. So you can choose to sell anyone. You can sell the information products. You can choose to sell. You can choose to sell anyone you like. So that's that for that. Now, what you want to do is you want to come in here. If you want to sell, let's sell the keyword starter. So now we'll click on target. Click on the affiliate information. So once it loads, the next thing you want to do is you want to come recurring price of $17. So this is a very good product to promote, because why? Once you're promoting this product, you have a recurring. You're making a recurring. If the person, the customer that bought this product from your link, keeps using the keyword research, you can use keep making $17 every month from the person. So once you come in here, you click to get approved, and once you write in a few messages here, enter your messages, you tell them you're not a robot, and then you click on that taxi. So I verified, and then I request approval. So that's just a simple way to request approval for any product you want to promote on Jvzoo. It's so simple, it's so easy. So that request was sent successfully. So just send my request, and then it will take a bit of time for the seller. So you have to wait until they approve you before. Some of the products you don't need any approval, some you need approval. And okay, now look at the affiliate. Let's just go ahead and not wait for the affiliate links. So we have to check for the affiliate tools. These are the affiliate tools here. So apply Jvzoo here. So we're on the site for the affiliate tools. So you can see this is the banner. You can just download the banner and start using it. There are different sizes of banners now. So all they have is just banners. They have banners of different sizes, so that you can post some, you can put on your blog, and some you can promote. So the best way to promote this product is in two ways. One, you can either use a Facebook ad. You can run ads on Facebook to promote the product using your affiliate link. You get their banner, put it on your page. You just create a page, you put it there. That works. Then you put it there, and then you run the ads for the product to see if it makes a sale, because you're making $17. You're making $17 every month, once for every sale you get. So then the next option, the other option, is you can use solo ads. Solo ads does convert a lot, So it's something you really want to do if you are interested. This is something you should actually and really do if you really want to do this. So that's that. Oh my god. Okay, so let me just do the search now. I did a search earlier for solo ads. So let's do a search for solo ad deals. And as you can see, you check for groups. As you can see, these are the groups on solo ads. This one has 5k members, 8 posts a month. This one 3 posts a day. Buy sell solo ad buy sell swap. So this site is also good. 8 posts a month. This one not good. 2 posts a year, not good. 5 posts a month, not good. 8 posts a month. You just look for groups that are active, whereby you can easily chat with people. Okay, 2 posts a day. This is better. So 2 posts a day, you can just come in here and then join this. This group is active. You can get at least 2 posts a day. It's not bad. So once you join the group, you visit the group, and then you can start contacting other the sellers, people that can send you clicks to your affiliate link. So you can use bit.ly.com to shorten your link. As you can see, you know that we've not product affiliate. We have not been approved as an affiliate for the product we're trying to promote. So we're not been approved for the product we're trying to promote. So you can check. So these are people selling. You can easily contact them. You can DM them, and then you can start talking. Please PM me for the book slot. Click for sales. You know, these people are selling. So you can start chatting with them, and then once you guys reach an agreement they are going to send you clicks, and from there you can build you have to build an email list. That will be another video. I can't really do that for you in this video, but you need to build you have to get get an autoresponder, build your email list, and then once they send you clicks, you get able to opt in. They are going to put in their email first before you redirect them to the page you want them to buy, so that you don't lose the traffic. You're gonna be getting their email, so they can, from there you can keep promoting, you can keep selling the product, you can keep sending emails to them about the product. You send emails, you can create an email sequence using ChatGPT. ChatGPT will create an email sequence for you, like 200 words or 300 words, and then you put your affiliate links in 2 places, and then you send the email to them. So that's just a simple way you can easily do it. So it's not that. That's how you can make money with Jvzoo affiliate. Make money with Jvzoo affiliate. So that's how you can make money with Jvzoo affiliate. So this is a very just an easy way to show you guys just 2 traffic methods. One, you either use this, because solo ads does convert, you can make sales from it, and then Facebook ads also convert. So you can either do both, and then, but mind you, when you're building affiliate links, you need an autoresponder, so that you don't lose the traffic you're going to be getting. Because if you're doing Facebook ads, also you need to get an autoresponder, whereby they have to opt in first before you redirect them. Opt in, you have to give you their email address before you redirect them to the main page. So that's how you do that. But I think I'm going to do another video in the future on how you can actually build an autoresponder, or you can do a search on Google for that. So that will be all for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next video.